In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Monday.com tutorial for beginners. Whether you're new to project management tools or looking to streamline your workflows, Monday.com offers a versatile platform to help you manage your projects effectively. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you understand not only what to do, but also why it's important and how to make the most out of each feature. Let's start by navigating to the Monday.com website. Open your preferred web browser and enter Monday.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted with an overview of what Monday.com offers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface before proceeding. Next, locate the Get Started button, which is prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking this button will initiate the sign-up process, guiding you through creating your account and setting up your first project. This is a crucial step as it sets the foundation for how you'll interact with the platform moving forward. After clicking Get Started, you'll be presented with several sign-up options. For simplicity and security, we'll choose to continue with Google. This allows you to use your existing Google account to access Monday.com, eliminating the need to remember another set of login credentials. It's a convenient option that also ensures your account is linked to a trusted provider. Upon selecting Continue with Google, a prompt will appear for you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, select the one you prefer to associate with Monday.com. If you don't see your desired account listed, you can add it by clicking on Use Another Account and entering your credentials. Once you've selected your Google account, click on Continue. This will authorize Monday.com to access your Google account information, ensuring a seamless integration. You might be asked to grant certain permissions, which are necessary for the platform to function correctly. Review these permissions carefully before proceeding. Now, you'll encounter a series of questions designed to tailor Monday.com to your specific needs. Answer each question thoughtfully, as your responses will help customize the platform to better suit your workflow. After addressing these initial questions, click Continue to move forward in the setup process. The next set of questions will inquire about the size of your team. You will be asked to specify how many people are in your team, allowing Monday.com to recommend the appropriate plan and features for your group. Providing accurate information here ensures that you have the right tools to support your team's collaboration effectively. Following that, you'll be asked about the total number of people working at your company. This distinction helps Monday.com understand the scale of your organization and adjust its offerings accordingly. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Monday.com can accommodate your needs with the right configuration. After inputting the number of team members and company size, it's time to click on Continue. This will advance you to the next phase of the setup, where you'll make decisions about what aspects of project management you want to prioritize initially. This step is essential for tailoring your dashboard and tools to fit your primary focus areas. Now, you'll need to choose what you'd like to manage first. Monday.com offers various options such as project management, sales tracking, marketing campaigns, and more. Select the area that is most critical to your operations at this moment. For example, if project management is your top priority, choose that option to configure your dashboard accordingly. After making your selection, click on Continue. This will take you to the next set of customization steps, where you'll further refine your focus within the chosen area. This ensures that the tools and features you see are directly relevant to your immediate needs, enhancing your productivity from the outset. Next, you'll be asked to choose what you'd like to focus on first within your selected area. This could involve prioritizing tasks, setting up communication channels, or defining key performance indicators. By addressing these aspects early on, you can create a tailored workspace that aligns with your workflow and objectives. Once you've made your focus area selection, click Continue to proceed. You'll now encounter additional questions that delve deeper into your specific requirements. These questions are designed to fine-tune your Monday.com setup, ensuring that the platform aligns perfectly with your team's workflow and project goals. The setup process then moves on to inviting your teammates. To do this, you'll need to add their email addresses. This step is crucial for collaborative work as it brings your team into the Monday.com environment, allowing everyone to contribute and stay updated on project progress. Enter each team member's email address accurately to ensure they receive their invitations without any issues. After adding your teammates' email addresses, you'll have the option to either click on Invite Your Team or choose Remind Me Later. Clicking Invite Your Team sends out immediate invitations, bringing your colleagues into the platform right away. If you prefer to delay inviting your team members, selecting Remind Me Later will allow you to send invitations at a more convenient time. With your team invited or your invitation scheduled, the next step is to name your project. Enter a clear and descriptive name that reflects the project's purpose and scope. A well-named project helps in organizing and identifying it easily among other projects, especially as your use of Monday.com grows. Once you've named your project, click on Next to continue. This will lead you to the board setup phase where you can define the structure and elements of your project. Boards in Monday.com are the backbone of your project management, allowing you to track tasks, deadlines, and progress efficiently. In this step, you'll choose the relevant columns for your board. Columns represent different types of information such as task names, due dates, statuses, assignees, and more. Selecting the right columns is essential for capturing all necessary details about your tasks and ensuring that your board is comprehensive and functional. After selecting your columns, click on Next to proceed. Now you'll decide on your real-time insights and dashboards. Monday.com offers various dashboard options that provide visual representations of your project's progress, performance metrics, and other key data. Choosing the right dashboards helps you monitor your project effectively and make informed decisions based on real-time data. With your dashboard preferences set, click on Next to move forward. The next step involves adding a view layout to your board. View layouts determine how your information is displayed, offering different perspectives, such as Kanban boards, timelines, Gantt charts, and calendars. Selecting the appropriate view layout enhances your ability to visualize and manage your tasks effectively. Once you've added your view layout, click Next to continue. Now it's time to add tasks to your project. Start by entering the tasks that need to be completed, assigning them to team members, and setting deadlines. Breaking down your project into manageable tasks ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and that everyone knows their responsibilities. After adding your tasks, click on Get Started to finalize the setup process. This action completes the initial configuration of your Monday.com workspace, bringing your project to life and making it ready for active management and collaboration. Now that your workspace is set up, let's explore the navigation options available on Monday.com. On the left panel of your screen, you'll find several navigation tabs. Click on Home to view your feeds and recently visited boards. This section provides a quick overview of your latest activities and updates, keeping you informed about what's happening across your projects. Next, click on My Work to see everything that is assigned to you in one centralized location. This view helps you prioritize your tasks, manage your workload, and stay on top of your responsibilities. It's an excellent feature for personal task management within the larger team framework. If you need to perform a quick search or navigate to the Template Center, click on More. This option expands additional functionalities, allowing you to access various tools and resources that can enhance your project management experience. Whether you're searching for a specific task or looking for new templates to streamline your workflow, the More tab has you covered. For easy access to your most frequently used projects, click on Favorites. This section displays your bookmarked projects, enabling you to quickly navigate to them without sifting through all your boards. Marking important projects as favorites helps you stay organized and ensures that your top priorities are always within reach. To manage your projects and dashboards effectively, click on Workspaces. Workspaces allow you to group related boards and dashboards, providing a structured environment for different teams or departments within your organization. Organizing your workspace ensures that each team can focus on their specific projects without unnecessary clutter. Managing your profile and settings is straightforward. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This action opens a drop-down menu where you can access and modify your profile information, adjust your account settings, and customize your Monday.com experience to better suit your preferences. Within your profile settings, you'll find options to access other essential functions such as importing data, archiving old projects, managing the trash, and organizing teams. These functionalities are crucial for maintaining an efficient and clutter-free workspace, allowing you to focus on current projects while keeping historical data accessible when needed. Beside your profile photo, you'll notice quick links that provide immediate access to important features like notifications, inbox, adding new members, and the marketplace. Notifications keep you updated on project changes and team activities, while the inbox allows you to communicate directly with your team members. Adding new members is seamless, and the marketplace offers a variety of integrations and apps to extend Monday.com's capabilities. As you become more familiar with Monday.com, you'll discover that these navigation options and features are designed to enhance your project management experience. By understanding and utilizing each one, you can create a tailored workspace that boosts productivity, fosters collaboration, and ensures that your projects are executed smoothly from start to finish. To recap, today's tutorial covered the essential steps to get started with Monday.com. We navigated the sign-up process using a Google account, customized our workspace by answering key questions about our team and company size, and set up our first project by choosing relevant columns, dashboards, and view layouts. We also explored important navigation features, including accessing the home feed, managing personal tasks through My Work, utilizing favorites for quick access, organizing projects within workspaces, and managing profile settings. Remember, the key to effectively using Monday.com lies in understanding how its features align with your unique workflow and project requirements. Take the time to explore each feature, experiment with different setups, and adjust your workspace as your team's needs evolve. Monday.com is a powerful tool, and with the right configuration, it can significantly enhance your project's efficiency and your team's collaboration. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to help you get the most out of Monday.com. 1. Customize your boards. Don't hesitate to tailor your boards to fit your specific project needs, whether it's adding custom columns, creating unique view layouts, or integrating other tools. Customization is key to maximizing productivity. 2. Utilize automations. Monday.com offers automation features that can save you time by handling repetitive tasks. Set up automations to notify team members of upcoming deadlines, move tasks between stages, or update status changes automatically. 3. Leverage integrations. Take advantage of Monday.com's integrations with other tools you already use, such as Slack, Google Drive, or Zoom. These integrations streamline your workflow and ensure that all your essential tools work seamlessly together. 4. Explore the marketplace. The Monday.com marketplace is a treasure trove of apps and extensions that can enhance your project's functionality. Browse through the available options to find tools that can further optimize your workflow. 5. Train your team. Ensure that all team members are comfortable using Monday.com by providing training sessions or sharing helpful resources. A well-trained team can fully leverage the platform's capabilities, leading to better collaboration and project outcomes. 6. Regularly review and update. Periodically review your boards and workflows to identify areas for improvement. Updating your setup based on feedback and changing project requirements ensures that Monday.com continues to meet your needs effectively. By following these tips and continuously refining your use of Monday.com, you'll be well on your way to mastering project management and achieving your organizational goals. Thank you for watching this Monday.com tutorial for beginners. I hope this guide has provided you with a clear and comprehensive understanding of how to set up and navigate Monday.com effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on maximizing your productivity with various tools and platforms. Until next time, happy project managing.